Good evening, sir.
Good evening, all. Okay, let's have a discussion on the previous problem.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, all.
Good evening.
Good evening, all. Right, let us have a discussion on this one. So now, solution given sin square theta minus cos theta equals to 1 upon 4. Multiply 4 on both sides. Oh, very good. Multiply 4 on both sides. Then what do you get now? Or cross multiply. 4 sin square theta
minus 4 cos theta
Minus 4 cos theta is equals to 1 by 4.
1. See, we have sin square theta equals to 1 minus cos square theta.
1 minus cos square.
Yeah. So that means instead of this sin square theta, we can write 1 minus cos square theta. So we get minus 4 cos theta and minus 1 equals to 0. So brackets, open the brackets. 4 minus 4 cos square theta.
minus 4 cos theta minus 1 is equal to 0.
0. Again, this can be written minus 4 cos square theta minus 4 cos theta. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3.
Minus 3.
4 minus 1 is plus 3. Now multiply with minus 1. That implies you get like this. 4 cos square theta plus 4 cos theta.
4 cos theta minus 3 is equal to 0.
Yes, minus 3 equals to 0. Now factorization. 4 into minus 3 is minus 12. 6 into 2 we can write it. 6 into 2 also 12. Plus 6 minus 2. Plus 6 minus 2. So we can write like this. 1 minute, 1 minute. I'll copy and I will paste in the next page. Right. So now for our convenience, this can be written 4 cos square theta plus 6 cos theta minus 2 cos theta.
Minus 2 cos.
Minus 3
is equals
equals to 0.
Minus 3 is equals to 0.
First we can take 2 cos theta common. We get 2 cos
2
theta plus 3.
minus common.
Minus 1 common. 2 cos theta plus 3. So again, we can take out the 2 cos theta plus 3 common. So we have 2 cos
2
theta
minus 1.
minus 1 equals to 0. We get two cases. 2 cos theta plus 3 equals to 0. And 2 cos theta minus 1 equals to 0.
This is 0.
Right? 2 cos theta equals to negative 3.
Cos
Theta
theta
is
is
equal to
negative 3 by
negative 3 by 2. It cannot be negative 3 by 2. So this is rejected because the range of
minus 1 comma 1.
cos theta is
-1 comma.
1. So now 2 cos theta equals to 1.
Cos theta is equals
Cos
to 1
theta
by 2.
equals to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is lies in between -1 comma 1. It is valid. So now we need to find out the solution. So consider here cos theta is equal to 1 upon 2. Now principal solution we need to find out. Principal solution.
Pi by 3.
So whose value of cosine is 1 by 2? 60 degrees. Pi by 3. So we can
Pi
write
by
now cos theta equals to,
pi by 3.
yes, cos pi by 3.
It
PV,
general
means
solution
principal
is
value, is alpha is equal to pi by 3. General solution is theta is equal to
2n pi plus or minus pi by 3.
2n, sorry, 2n pi
Plus or minus
alpha. So
Plus or
therefore
minus pi by 3.
theta is equal to 2n pi
plus or
Plus or
minus
minus pi by 3.
n belongs to integer z. This is the answer. I hope you have understood this question.
yes, sir.
Okay, shall I move to the next
Yes,
question?
sir. Yes, sir.
Third question. 5 cos square theta plus 7 sin square theta equals to 6. See, it's very interesting. Whenever the question is given, so in this form, a cos square theta plus b sin square theta equals to c form. Better divide both sides by cos square theta. Then solve for tan square theta. If you get the tan square theta, easily tan square theta is equal to tan square alpha. Easily we can solve it. So whenever like this form, divide both sides by cos square theta. Okay, let us do it now. Given 5 cos square theta plus 7 sin square theta equal to 6. Divide both sides by cos square theta. So 5 cos square theta plus 7 sin square theta upon cos square theta. 6 upon cos square theta. Are you following? So this
Yes, sir.
5 cos square theta by cos square theta, 5 plus 7 sin square
7
theta
tan
by cos square theta, tan square theta. So 1 by cos is sec. This is 6 secant square theta. So don't worry. The secant square theta we can express in terms of tan. Secant square theta equals to 1 plus tan square theta. Am I correct? So in the place of this secant square theta, write down this value. See, 5 plus 7 tan square theta equal to 6 times 1 plus tan square theta.
1 plus tan square theta.
Yes, we need to solve it for tan square theta. 5 plus 7 tan square theta. 6 plus 6 tan square theta. Now what shall we do now? Take 6 tan square theta this side, 5 that side. So what do you get now here? 7
Tan
tan
square
7
7
theta
tan
minus tan square theta.
minus 6 tan square
6
theta
tan square theta
is equal to
6
6
minus
minus
5.
5.
6
Yeah, let us go back once again. You can check it, no problem. 7 tan square theta minus 6 tan square theta is equal to 6 minus 5. Transposition takes place. So this is tan square theta. I will come, don't worry.
tan square theta is equals to 1.
1. Okay, shall I move to next question?
Yes, sir.
Right. Next page. Sorry. Now we need to solve this. Is tan square theta is equal to, we can have, this is 1 square we can write. That is tan square 45 degrees. Tan pi by 4 is 1. So principal value is alpha is equal to pi by 4. Now the general solution.
2n pi
is
plus or minus alpha.
theta is equal to n pi plus r minus alpha. Am I correct? Therefore,
Yes, sir.
theta is equal to
Yes.
n pi plus r minus
n
pi
pi
by
plus or minus pi by 4.
n belongs to z. So it is completed. Okay. Okay. Fourth question. 3 sin x to the power of 4 plus cos x to the power of 4 equals to 1. Right. But see, you are not at all allowed to apply this method because only square is there. Then you can divide by cos square theta. But it needs to be done in another manner. So now this cos x to the power of 4, you can write cos square x whole square. Instead of cos square x, substitute 1 minus sin square x. In terms of sign, let us express it. Solution given 3 sin x to the power of 4 plus cos x to the power of 4 equals to 1. So this can be written 3 sin x to the power of 4 plus this we can write cos square x whole square. Can I write like this? Does it make any difference? So now instead of cos square x, we can replace 1 minus sin square x. So now 3 sin x to the power of 4 plus 1 minus sin square x whole square equals to 1. Now 1 minus sin square x whole square is a minus b whole square formula. We need to expand it. 3 times sin x to the power of 4 plus 1 plus sin x to the power of 4 minus 2ab minus 2 sin square x equals to 1. Bring 1 this side. 3 sin x to the power of 4 sin x to the power of 4. That is 4 sin x to the power of 4 minus 2 sin square x plus 1 and minus 1 equals to 0. Plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. We have 4 sin x to the power of 4 minus 2 sin square x
Minus 2 sin square x
equal to 0. Now what shall we
is
do?
equal to
Now what shall we do? Now what shall we do? So will you give any idea? Shall we take out anything common?
2 sine square.
2
Sin
sine
square x
square
common.
x.
Very good. 2 sine square x common. That we can write 2 sine square x minus 1 equals to 0. Two cases will get it. 2 sine square x is equal to 0 means sine square x equal to 0. Sine square x is equal to 0 means sine x is equal to 0. So directly we can write x is equal to n pi. N belongs to z. So now another solution, 2 sine square x minus 1 is equal to 0. 2 sine square x equals to 1. Sine square x equals to 1 upon 2. So now this need to be solved as sine square x is equal to sine alpha form. This we can write sine square 45 degrees. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 whole square is 1 by 2. Principal value is alpha is equal to pi by 4. Now the general solution is x is equal to n pi plus or minus alpha, pi by 4. So therefore x equals to, solution you can write n pi comma n pi plus or minus pi by 4. Therefore n belongs to z. Understood this question?
Yes, sir.
But it seems to be somewhat difficult, but it's very easy.
Completed, sir.
Completed, sir.
Fifth question. 2 sine square theta minus 4 equals to 5 cos theta. Instead of sine square theta, write down 1 minus cos square theta and solve it after factorizing. Given 2 sine square theta minus 4 equals to 5 cos theta. So my dear students, here sine square theta equals to